Wait, before you spend your money on database hosting, let me show you something crazy. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to deploy a production PostgreSQL database, set it up completely free, and connect it to your app under 10 minutes. And the best part, it is not some limited trial. This is Prisma's new cloud offering and it is actually free. Now watch how fast it is. Now head over to prisma.io. Go and complete your authentication process. Once you are in, tap this new project button. Name your project. I'm going with YouTube testing. Now we will go with this Prisma Postgres one, which is still in early access, but after some time it will be in alpha release. So tap get started. Now you have to choose your region. So choose whatever is nearest to your user. It will take some time to load up your database in cloud. Now it says connected. That means your database is successfully created in cloud. Head over to your setup tab and go and copy your database URL from here. I will be copying the entire thing. Now close your browser. So this is my simple nodejs application. Here I am using a .env file. Now I will paste the URL here and make sure your database URL key is same as mentioned in your schema.prisma file. By the way, I am using Prisma for my database ORM, but you can use any other ORM, for example Drizzle or anything else. Here I have a simple user model and I have already configured some endpoint for our testing purposes. So now the next thing is head over to your terminal and write npx prisma migrate dev and then hit enter. It will take some time to do the migration process. Now it's completed. Great, our migration is done. Now let's start our server. Okay, our database is started and it says connected. So that means our database is connected. Now let's test this out. Here I have already configured all the stuff for our testing. This is my endpoint and it's a post request, and when I hit send, it should create a new user in our database. Perfect, it is created. Now let's just add few more. Now let's get our data. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day.